What's up, guys? Welcome back to the House Extras. Today I am pre-bowling for League on Tuesday nights, and I got a couple different bowling balls that I'm going to compare. I'm going to throw the Hazmat, I'm going to throw the Ethos. I don't know which one I'm going to throw first, which one I'm going to throw second, but I do know that I'm throwing both these balls, and I'm pre-bowling with another one of my teammates, Holly Harris, who is the head women's bowling coach of the Wichita State Shocker Bowling Program. So, with that being said, let's get into game one, and let's get into bowling. Yeah. I just missed 3 times on the left lane only because I threw it bad, but that's not a reason to miss. No! Yeah, I feel like that ball gets through it a little bit, where like the Ethos, I missed in a little bit and it would pick up. It's just like a little slower. Hook. Game one over, I shot 250 on the nose, spare, strike, spare, strike, spare, couple strikes, and then I actually started recording after that. I know I was a little bit late on hitting the record button. Something happened with the camera there where I think I hit the record button twice by accident, so it stopped it right away. With all that being said, I ended up switching to a Hazmat on the left lane only. Left lane was just kind of hooking a little bit earlier. I felt like the Hazmat was a little cleaner and a little stronger of a down lane motion than the Ethos, so I'm actually going to be throwing both of the balls game one, and looking forward to game two going in because I haven't missed so far since I've been videoing. So 250 for game one. Looking forward to hopefully another big game, game two. Hook, hook. Oh! Hook. Yeah. Oh. Oh. I was up. Woo. That was the miss right there. Up the back. Push. So we're about like middle of this video and I just cannot stop watching myself fall off shots. I need to practice staying on balance. Maybe buy some new soles too. That might help. Damn, that shot was better and it didn't really hook as much. Hazmat. Wrists don't feel good. We also gave out 3 bowling balls very recently to our bowling ball tournament winners. We gave out 3 of them. So make sure you click that subscribe button down below, and in the description, there is a link for you to sign up for all of our giveaways. So once we get your email, we'll be able to email you if you are one of the winners. And don't forget, click subscribe because you gotta be a subscriber to win. Let's get back to bowling. Yikes. Hook, hook, hook. Got him, got him. No, 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 no. Wow, all right. Wow. Yeah, same hit. Oh. It fouled on your lane, just out of nowhere. Yeah. I heard it and was like, focus, focus, please. All right, guys, so this is where the questions come in for me, part 1. 300 game 2, bang, bang. However, because I pre-bowled, the USBC doesn't actually count that as an honor score. They don't count honor scores in pre-bowling or in post-bowling. So my question to all of you guys out there is, would you count an honor score if you pre-bowled it or if you post-bowled it? Or does it not really count towards your like personal amount of 300s and 800s? I personally don't know my amount of 300s, but if you guys want to brag a little bit down below in the comments, drop your total amount of 300s and 800s along with if you would have counted this one. I know I count this one. I count, you know, a 300 or an 800. I think they're all real, whether you shoot it in practice or if you shoot it in a tournament. Some count for, you know, more value in here or up here, but I count them all. You know, from your first 300 if it's in practice, or if your first 300's in the finals of a tournament, I think they all should count. That being said, these two balls look amazing. The Hazmat on the left lane, cleaner, quicker down lane motion. I know it's hard for you guys to see, but the Ethos on the right lane, still clean, just not quite as sharp of a snapping shape, which on the right lane I absolutely do not need. So hopefully game 3 coming up, we can shoot 250 plus, because right now I'm at 550 on the turn, looking for an 800 series. Please. Yo. Again? Oh my God. Oh my God. My wrist does not feel good, by the way. Golly, my wrist hurts. Push a lot. Okay. Okay. Yeah! Yo, hello. Yep, that's about right. Hook. Push again. All right. And that's my first miss with that ball. I want to give a huge shout out to North Rock first for setting up a fresh pair of lanes for me and Holly to bowl on. Second off, I want to give a huge shout out to Chris Drews for shooting 806 and losing to me by 2. He is on my league team, so you could say we put up a pretty good set this week. And third, I want to talk a little bit about these balls. The Hazmat, really good. I only missed once the entire set with it. It was just the cleaner, sharper motion down lane. However, it definitely was able to control the pocket, especially on the house shot where I don't need something really smooth just yet. The Ethos was a smoother piece on the lane that I thought, you know, I needed a little more hook in the middle of the lane. That Hazmat went really far down lane. The Ethos hooks a little earlier and makes a little smoother of a shape. So for me, perfect 1-2 punch, maybe game 1 and 2 or 1 and 1.5 with the Ethos, and then switching to the Hazmat game 2.5 or 3, which would be perfect for me in league. That's what I've been doing lately. Starting with something a little smoother like the Venom shot. Starting with something a little smoother like the Rattler, and then switching to the Ethos games 2 and 3. That's really been a successful strategy for me, and I was glad that both the shiny balls look good straight out the gate for me in league this week. So 808 for me. Drop down below 1, your most recent honor score, maybe how many honor scores you got, or your highest score in general. And then next, what I want you guys to do is just let me know down below in the comments what kind of videos you guys want to see on this channel next, and maybe we'll just pick your idea. So thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it, and until the next one, peace.